Konati! No, that sucked. That really sucked.
I don't even know what that was.
That was failure.
Yeah.
And Sakura takes a drink.
That was terrible.
Oh god.
Hey, and welcome to Konoha TV, aka KTV. I'm Kakashi Hatake.
Sakura Hanura.
No, I don't like you. Leave it. No.
And fail! Oh my god! Okay, we're cut straight up right now. Enough! Go, Chidori! No, my Chidori!
Stop the violence!
This is really awesome. Hey, wait! What is the problem? No! Guys!
What?
You have told everybody about me.
Oh.
Is this? We're like the most popular hair. First of all, she's mine. Are you kidding me? Cisco! All mine. Chidori. Yeah, that's a door. Cisco just ran away.
Well, KTV Chris,
Cisco ran away.
I want to thank you for coming
to the love room.
to Kakashi.
Hurry! To the love room. I am just shut. Out of my mind.
That's what we used to trouble.
And my dog's just chilling out. I think he ate Tsunade or something. Whatever. She comes back. They all do. Just like me.
Yo, Sensei, where's the sake at?
Yeah. Mine.
Girl. Sensei.
Alright,
sake
so...
at?
What?
Sake. Oh.
Alright. Anyway. Too much drama going on here. So, I'm gonna have to kick you guys out.
Don't even have my freaking shoes on, Kashi.
So yeah, you saw my place. Awesome place. Now,
KTV.
I gotta read my book, so bye guys.
Wow, you just missed that.
3 hours later.
Oh, that was the nay.
Bye guys.
That was the nay. I must. Oh.